Welcome to CAD Concepts. In this video, I will show you how you can print faster without any preview, without any selection, paper size, CTB. Just in one click, how you can print into PDF, single sheet or multiple sheet, any size, landscape, portrait, any size, all in one time. And also I will show you how to quickly fix your setting. Let us see here, single sheet, YQPrime plugin, flash PDF print. Okay, and just select your sheet rectangle. Here we go. You are getting perfect PDF just by clicking over the rectangle. So that rectangle sheet must be separate layer. Okay, so almost in no time you can take it out faster. Portrait, no problem. Let this portrait, select here, enter. So it will fit automatically into portrait. Now you see here, with the landscape, portrait, you can extract all in one time, exact as it is, if you see here. So you do not require to go in preview, property, selection. And what about multiple sheets? Here we have. What you do, come to here, flash PDF, okay? And now, select your first sheet, then don't enter. Select all, enter. And you are getting batch print, exactly in one time. Whether landscape, portrait, single sheet, multiple sheet, that doesn't matter. You can take flash PDF. So layer must be same for that rectangle. We'll take portrait and select your single portrait and select all, enter. Now you see here. So almost in no time you can take it out, your print into PDF perfectly in just one time. Okay, the problem is setting. So what about setting? What size we want, which CTB we want? Exactly, we have it optionally, okay. Let this here, flash PDF, or you can type XPF also. When you will type, optionally you are getting option to press X. You can type X, then you will get one DCL, one setting option. And here permanent setting, you can set A1, A2, A0, whatever. Take your CTB, what you want, and save folder where you want to save your PDF. These three settings you have to set one time, and it will load permanently all time. And now you do not require to set your setting every time. If you will not set your setting, so PDF will go in temp folder. So perfectly you can extract your print to PDF almost in no time. Must explore YQPrime plugin. You will get more than 100 plus commands that save you time. So what you are waiting for? Check out the link below. Explore YQPrime plugin in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.